In this Beefree review, we will see if it is the best tools for building an awesome email in 2025. So let's get started with the key information about this platform called Beefree. Beefree is a super helpful email builder on the internet. It is free to start. You can use it to make a real nice looking email without knowing any fancy computer code like HTML. It's easy for you and your whole team work together on the email creation. You can even export the email you make to send to your customer's client. Think of it as a simple tools that help you make a great email for everyone. So talking about the key features of this platform, Beefree has some really cool things that can make building email super easy and fun. So these features help you work better with your teams, make your email looks just right, and even build a whole web page. So let's check out some of these best part of this platform, which is some special features and best features on this platform. So one of the best features is team collaboration. Check out a custom email template and a mobile design optimization. Check out a landing page builder and a large template library. So talking about the pros and cons, knowing the good and bad help you decide so if it's the right tools for you. So to get started with the pro, which is the advantages part of this platform, is comes with an easy to use editor, many free templates available, great for teams collaboration and mobile design, looks real good, and can also export clean HTML. So talking about the downside, which is the disadvantages part of this platform, which also the free plan has a limit and some features need the pro plan and support response can vary. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about this AI website.